I'm bringing statistics back. Yeah, the probabilities binomial. Yeah, the number of successes in one trial. Yeah, don't get confused with geometric. Yeah, kick it to the bridge. Phantom is a hypothesis test to determine the true value of a mean or a percent. This is known as a parameter. Take it to the chorus. H null might be rejected. H alt might be true. Conditions, go check conditions. Sample it completely random. Less than 10% of the population. N is greater than 30. Have all three. One to name. Name the test. To sample t-test. Test statistic is t is equal. Test statistic to a value. Degrees of freedom. Use a t-chart. Find the odds. Look at p. Make decisions. Less than 0.05. Reject the null. You're almost vicious. Write a good conclusion, now you're done. Linear regression, yeah. Direction, strength, and shape are all checked, yeah. This shows a correlation in the graph, yeah. Y hat equals a plus bx, yeah. Kick it to the bridge. Confidence intervals are made using panic. Test statistic minus a standard error. You can use a calculator. Kick it to the chorus. Sampling distributions are normal approximately. Mean is the mean of the population. SD is sigma divided by n square root, or the square root of PQ divided by n. You can use empirical rules to determine the probability of Z being less than 3. Arithmetic as a percent. 0.15 is the answer. 0.68 between 1 SD. 0.95 between 2 SDs. 0.99. 0.7 is between a 3 standard deviations. Get your statistics on.
Sometimes McLaurin has a series, and it is centered at 0. Derive the function many times to get the terms. We approximate functions when we use a polynomial. We can find the error now with Lagrange or the next term. Mr. Monty's class is okay. My mind and calc is far away, and it takes a song to come around to teach you how. There's a graph of my heart. It's a polar, you can make it rectangular, but first convert it to be parametric with an x and y. 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 You can integrate the square root of 1 plus the first derivative of f, but it is squared. If you can do that, you found the arc length of our rectangular equation with respect to x. You can integrate the square root of 1 plus the first derivative of f, but it is squared. If you can do that, you found the arc length of a rectangular equation with respect to x. There are some ways you need to know on how to take an integral. When you really don't know how, we'll teach you how. 1 divided by b minus a, integral from a to b. This is the average value formula of a function integration by parts integral of u dv. uv minus v du is the formula with respect to u. With respect to you. With respect to you. Oh, with respect to you, cow. It's pretty easy if you get help from Miss Del Monte. You can pass the AP exam if you study hard.
You're good. Yeah. Yeah, go for it. I'll throw that somewhere in the like mosh section. Oh wait, hold on, one more time.